Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we're talking about the Pancakeswap. What's the currently price of Pancakeswap? What's the price is occur in a cake? And this video I'm also talking about the very urgent update of cake. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, because this video gonna be very special for all of you friends. That is why I'm asking you to keep watching this video. And friends, remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you friends. That is why I'm asking you to subscribe, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. Now the currently price at this time price of the Pancakeswap is about 37.31 USD dollar, friends. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Pancake, so the last 1 hour price change as about 1 hour change is positive, and the last 1 year change is also positive, and the previous last 1 week price change as negative, friends. That's mean that the previous time of the Pancakeswap is going wrong, friends. But now it's a good news for all of you friends that the Pancakeswap take a jump from yesterday, friends. If we talk about the price changes occur in the Pancakeswap in the last 1 day, so positive 1.83% positive changes occur in the Pancakeswap in the last 1 day, and the highest price is about 38.93 USD dollar. Let's understand the 39 USD dollar, friends. And if we talk about the currently this price of the Pancakeswap live in the market, so 37.31 USD dollar fast the currently price of the Pancakeswap. As you can see, a bit fast occur in the Pancakeswap, but now if we look the current condition of the Pancakeswap, as you can see this time, friends, so they are again take a jump, friends. So I hope that Pancakeswap again continue this jump throughout this month, friends. I think that next is also pump coming soon, and the Pancakeswap. What's your prediction about Pancake? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends.